You are wondering if we can find together an efficient solution to produce your products in the required quantity and quality. Then you are right at AZO Liquids. Here are the 3 key points how AZO Liquids will ensure this. First, the technical approach. Our equipment is premium quality for premium customers, and we are convinced that this makes the difference in competition. We analyze your process and recipe and develop together a trial plan for proof of principle on critical process steps. Our customers get realistic scale-up information in order to size their plant and to develop a detailed user requirement specification. Second, our expertise in brownfield situation. Creation of greenfield solutions is easy, but brownfield situations are a serious challenge. You can count on us, even if this means to squeeze rectangular plant equipment into a triangular space. And third, the financial approach. Lump sum quotes for defined scope, transparent calculations up to complete open book, and cost plus with a defined markup. We see a project as a partnership in which also the financial part needs to reflect this. As part of the privately owned AZO Group, we offer a strong and healthy financial background which provides maximum safety to our customers. My name is Patrick Weiser and I am the CEO of AZO Liquids. And if you are looking for a supplier that brings unique value right from the beginning, let's start a conversation.